equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the screen of your HP 15 FD laptop. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for any internal cleaning. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This will ensure that there's no power running through the device while you work. Now, let's focus on the screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel off, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the hinges. Disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Next, you'll need to remove the screws securing the screen to the laptop frame. There are typically 4 screws, one at each corner of the screen. Once these are removed, carefully lift the screen away from the frame. It's important to handle the screen with care to avoid any damage. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal components with your microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and a clean environment will help your laptop run more efficiently. If you're unsure about cleaning, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Now, take your new screen and align it with the frame. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's firmly attached but avoid over-tightening, as this could crack the screen. Once the screen is secured, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's firmly in place to avoid any display issues. After everything is connected, replace the back panel of the laptop. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. If you're feeling overwhelmed at any point, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront without any surprises. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop. Check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your laptop back in working order. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 15 FD laptop. Enjoy your newly restored device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.